Most listings are shot like they don't matter, but your listing isn't most. If buyers can't picture themselves living there from the first scroll, you've already lost an offer before they even think about booking or showing. Because when your media feels like luxury, your brand starts to act like it. Would you spend $230 to protect a six-figure asset? That's roughly an investment for professional listing photography. Yet everyday agents skip it and leave serious money on the table. Professional photography isn't about vanity shots or pretty pictures. It's about controlling buyer psychology. Listing with professional photos receives 61% more online views. They spend 32% less time on market, and they command a higher final sale price. Anywhere from $900 to over $10,000 more depending on the price point. Now, forget national averages for a second. Real estate isn't theoretical. Here's what it looks like in real life. Same property, same listing, two sets of photos. The agent's original photos: harsh lighting, distorted rooms, shadows on ceilings, colors that feel off, and poorly framed spaces. Our professional photos: crisp lines, balanced exposure, true-to-life color, inviting natural light, and thoughtful composition that highlights the flow and space. Which one captures the buyer's attention? Which one invites them to imagine their future in the home? That's not decoration, that's persuasion. And it's how you shift showings from casual visits to multiple offer momentum. Buyers don't make logical decisions. They make emotional commitments that they later justify. High-end photography helps them envision living in the home before they ever set foot inside. That's buyer visualization, and it shortens the sales cycle dramatically. But there's a second layer most agents miss. Professional photography also builds confidence in you as their agent. Sellers see the investment, buyers see the professionalism, and your reputation grows with every listing you market with intent. Every listing is more than a property. It's a reflection of your brand. When you consistently present polished professional media, you reinforce your value. You create more conversations that turn into introductions. You attract sellers who value your preparation and presentation. And you position yourself as the agent who handles business differently. Professional media isn't a cost. It's how you build demand. The question isn't whether professional photography works. The question is, how much opportunity are your photos leaving behind? If you're ready to make your listings impossible to overlook, let's create the visuals your brand deserves. Book your shoot, show your edge, own your market.